These machines are designed to handle high-volume production and are perfect for food processing plants, factories, and other industrial settings. These machines are built to withstand heavy use and are made with durable materials that ensure longevity and efficiency. With the latest technology and innovative designs, these machines are able to process a wide range of food products with ease and precision. Whether you're looking to automate your food production or streamline your current processes, these machines are sure to meet your needs. So sit back and enjoy as we take you through the features and capabilities of these powerful machines. But before that, make sure to subscribe. Number 1. Peck Machina Soft Biscuit Production Line. A series of machines are used to automate the process of creating soft biscuits. The machines in a soft biscuit production line typically include a dough mixer to mix all the ingredients, which is then led to a dough sheeting machine and finally a cutting machine for the required shape. These are then finally baked and then packaged. The production rate of a soft biscuit production line can vary depending on the model and manufacturer, as well as the size and shape of the biscuits being produced. This particular medium speed line can produce up to 5,000 biscuits per hour, and that's 43 million biscuits in a year. Number 2. Bacon USA Chocolate Tempering Machine. Bacon USA is a company that specializes in the manufacturing of food processing equipment, specifically in the production of bakery and pastry equipment. They also manufacture chocolate tempering machines, which are used to melt and cool chocolate in a controlled manner to create a smooth and glossy finish. The chocolate tempering machine will allow you to control the temperature, and it also has a built-in cooling system that will help to keep the chocolate in the correct state, ensuring that the chocolate is not damaged or rendered useless. The tempered chocolate is then poured over shape trays to get the desired shapes. The rate of production for a chocolate tempering machine can vary depending on the model and manufacturer, but generally, a high-speed machine can temper up to 50 kilograms of chocolate per hour, while a medium-speed machine can temper up to 25 kilograms of chocolate per hour. Number 3. Pure Juicer. A pure juicer is a type of machine that is used to extract juice from fruits and vegetables. Pure juicers are known for producing high-quality juice that is free of pulp and seeds. The pulp is taken and covered in a semi-permeable bag and pressed against a hydraulic press to extract the purest form of juice. The rate of production for a pure juicer can vary depending on the model, as well as the type and size of fruits and vegetables being juiced. Generally, a high-speed pure juicer can produce up to 1 liter of juice per minute, while a medium-speed machine can produce up to 0.5 liters of juice per minute. Number 4. Finis Onion Peeler. It is a specialized machine that is specifically designed to peel onions. It is an efficient and convenient way to remove onion skins quickly, and it is commonly used in large-scale food processing and restaurant settings. The rate of production for a Finis onion peeler can vary depending on the size and type of onions being peeled. Fresh batches of onions are introduced to conveyor belts, after which they are positioned such that the bulb points upwards. Next, it's taken to the pitter, which takes out the bulb from one side, followed by careful peeling. The onions are diced, chopped, or even sliced according to the customer's needs and packaged in polyethylene bags as shown. Generally, the high-speed Finis onion peeler can peel up to 400 onions per minute. Number 5. Sormac Preparation Table VBT 3/8 is a specialized machine manufactured by Sormac, a well-known company in the food processing industry. This machine is a versatile and robust preparation table. It is designed to assist in the preparation of vegetables, fruits, and other food products. The table is equipped with a built-in vibrating system, which allows the product to be spread out evenly over the entire surface, making it easier to work with. The ingredients are led into multiple washers and finally dewatered to retain their nutritional properties. Then the ingredients are assorted according to the type of final product customers need or the package requirements. The rate of production for a Sormac Preparation Table VBT 3/8 can vary depending on the model and manufacturer, as well as the size and type of product being prepared. Generally, a high-speed Sormac Preparation Table VBT can process up to 8 tons of product per hour, while a medium-speed machine can process up to 4 tons of product per hour. Before we proceed any further, make sure to leave a thumbs up to support our channel. Number 6. The Oskosoglu bread production line is a fully automated line that is designed to produce a variety of bread products at a high rate of production. The line includes a dough mixer, dough divider, dough rounder, proofer, and oven. The ingredients are mixed in a dough mixer and then transferred to a dough divider, where they are being portioned as per the required quantity. The divided dough is proofed and then shaped into loaves. The loaves are then sent to a conveyor-type oven and are quality checked before being packed. The production rate of the bread production line varies depending on the specific product being produced and the size of the line. However, the line is capable of producing up to 2,000 loaves of bread per hour. This high production rate allows for efficient and cost-effective bread production, making it a popular choice for commercial bakeries and large-scale operations. Number 7. Fattoria Scalabrini is an Italian cheese production company that specializes in creating traditional Italian cheeses using locally sourced milk. They produce a variety of cheeses including Parmesan, Gorgonzola, and Pecorino. However, it is estimated that they can produce up to 200,000 kg of cheese per year. They use traditional techniques to make the cheese, and the aging process can take up to 36 months for some varieties. Here, a huge tub is maintained for separating milk solids and for the whole process. Fattoria Scalabrini is known for its high-quality cheeses and its commitment to using traditional methods and locally sourced ingredients. Their cheeses are highly sought after by gourmet chefs and food enthusiasts all around the world. Number 8. Handmann is a German company that specializes in the production of industrial meat processing equipment. Their linking machines are used to form links between sausages and other meat products. The rate of production for Handmann linking machines can vary depending on the specific model and its intended use. Some of their linking machines are designed for high-volume production and can produce thousands of links per hour. Other models may have a lower output capacity and are intended for smaller-scale production. Number 9. Bäckerei Schwertner is a German company that specializes in the production of bakery equipment. They offer a range of equipment including a bread fryer and a cream filler. A bread fryer is a machine used to fry bread products such as donuts, croissants, and other pastries. It is typically a large industrial-grade machine that can fry large quantities of bread products at once. The machine uses hot oil to fry the bread, which is usually placed on a conveyor belt that moves the bread through the fryer. The rate of production for a bread fryer will depend on the specific model, its intended use, and the size of the machine. A cream filler is a machine used to fill pastries or other baked goods with cream or other fillings. The machine typically uses a piston or a pump to fill the pastry with the desired amount of filling. The rate of production for a cream filler will depend on the specific model, its intended use, and the speed at which the machine can operate. Number 10. Nemco Food Equipment. It is a company that designs, manufactures, and sells a wide range of commercial food equipment. Their products include food preparation equipment such as vegetable slicers, onion choppers, and French fry cutters, warming equipment such as heat lamps and warming displays, and countertop cooking equipment such as griddles and hot plates. The company's products are used in a variety of food service settings, including restaurants, delis, and food trucks. The rate of production for Nemco Food Equipment's machines will depend on the specific model, its intended use, and size. Some of their equipment are designed for high-volume production and can process large amounts of food quickly, while others may have a lower output capacity and are intended for smaller-scale production. Number 11. Chiba Kogyozyo Kabetskun. This manual cabbage slicer is tiny and has been intended to be simple to use when necessary and simple to clean up. It cuts a cabbage by simply placing a cabbage in a shaft that is attached to the handle, regulating the thickness and spinning the handle. With our innovative sliding blade technology, excellent cabbage slices may be made rapidly. Simple exchanges can be made for the flat blade. The machine can slice a whole cabbage in under 2 minutes. And that's a wrap for today's highly informative video. Tell us if we missed something in the comment section below. And for more content like this, hit subscribe.